Base speed checking in. Today we're going to be retrofitting quad projectors on the Altima. This should be fun. I got most of the circuit complete. So you can see here, I got all these wires just dangling here. I don't have a switch from the AutoZone. I had it at first, but I don't know what happened to it. Anywho, these are the wires that I'm running. Got some of them neatly taken care of until I get the switch that I need. All these wires just gonna be hanging here. I have these connections. I gotta find a place for them because they just can't sit there because that's where the headlight's gonna reside. So I gotta find a neat place to tuck them in. Project I'm just doing. Alright, so here's what I've done. I went ahead and test fitted the headlight. So I wired up the DRLs, which is daytime running lights. You'll see it, I have it wired up to a switch so it won't turn on when the engine turns on. So check this out. And as you can see, previously DRLs weren't on. So this switch here is wired up to the battery. Wired it up to the hazard lights. Tad down.
Head out.
Alright guys, so I pretty much finished the wiring. So what this setup consists of is that it's a quad beam projector retrofit, which means all 4 projectors have a high/low function. So it should be plenty bright down the road. As always, stay tuned because Project Altima is about to get painted.